But I am going to do a case with him. So you must know that one very dark man. Or a very dark man, what's your name? Seun Kuti. I will do that case with him. Because I've seen you people come out to say, and he also has said, oh, don't do police station. I have not even started doing police station with him. If Sam Clef decides to take him to police station, and my name will always come up, because when he mentioned an accused of 65 million, he said all of us in the group, and he mentioned my name, mentioned Sam Clef's name, mentioned Toto's name. So likewise, anybody chooses with anybody.
Orugbobo ọ̀rọ̀ yín rúgbóbọ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Aunty Iyabo Ojo àti Seun Kuti ọ̀rẹ́ very dark man. Aunty Iyabo Ojo ṣe fọ́nrán kan jáde láìpẹ́ yìí. ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀mọ́ kúnnú fọ́nrán yìí. Aunty Iyabo Ojo sọ pé kéèsì yìí kódà àwọn ti wá rẹ́dì fún nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Seun Kuti, nípa ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí wọ́n sọ òun àti very dark man, ṣùgbọ́n nípa ọ̀rọ̀ very dark man pé àwọn sì calm down fún ọ̀rọ̀ very dark man. Bọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ Seun Kuti yìí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé ó máa di pé ibi táwọn á ti pàdé ara àwọn. Ṣùgbọ́n kí ló fa gbọ́n mi sí omi òtó lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Aunty Iyabo Ojo àti Seun Kuti? Aunty Iyabo Ojo jẹ́ kó yé wa nínú fọ́nrán pé ó láwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí Seun Kuti yìí sọ. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ wo ẹnu ọlọ́rọ̀ lọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀ tí mọ̀ ń dùn o. Ẹ wá lọ gbọ́n tí Aunty Iyabo Ojo tó sọ nínú fọ́nrán yìí sí. Ọ̀rọ̀ kúnnú fọ́nrán yìí o. Wọ́n sì sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan náà nípa ọ̀rọ̀ very dark man. Pé gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ làwọn ń rí làwọn dẹ̀ ń gbọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lákòókò. Ẹ wá lọ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gangan lẹ́nu Aunty Iyabo Ojo bó ṣe rí àti pé bí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣe lọ. Ẹ wo orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà lẹ́wà níbi tá a ti máa mú gbogbo ohun tó ń lọ káàkiri àgbáyé wá sí etí gbọ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Ẹ wo fáǹfààní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ tí subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ẹ subscribe kẹ́ lè máa jàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ̀ ti ń gbọ́ wa, ẹ share fọ́nrán yìí fún gbogbo àwọn tí ò tí mọ̀ tí ò tí gbọ́ káwọn náà lè jàǹfààní bó ṣe ń lọ. Ẹ wo ẹ má jẹ́ ń gbà yín lákòókò, ẹ tó wá lọ gbọ́ fọ́nrán yìí síwájú sí i.
Nobody chooses among all of us to deal with him. Every other person's name will be mentioned. Get that right. It doesn't mean that I myself I have started with him. It doesn't mean I have started with him. And one of the reasons why Obim came out, Polo came out, was because even when I wanted to go to Abuja to now still pursue that this matter be taken up, he was the one that told me that I should relax, I should leave it, I should let go. Polo was the one that told me to let go. And I will not say I'm glad, but it's good that he has used his own eyes to see the same boy that he was telling me to leave. I should let go, I should let go, I should let go. I have not even started with very dark man. I have not started with him. So Seun, I am here to tell you that there's a big difference between defaming someone and insulting someone. People need to know that. And sometimes when you are defaming someone, you don't even have to mention that person's name. But if you can describe that person in a way that people will know that this is the person you are talking about, and most times in his videos, he uses my video. Even when he's not mentioning my name, he's using my video and saying, listen to this, hear this now. So there's a very big difference between both. Very, very big difference. If Polo called you, he called you because you were part of the people that came out to do a video supporting him, and you mentioned my name. You mentioned Tonto's name. And that is why he added you. That is why he added your name. Now, when you and AY had an issue, there was nowhere in AY's skit video that he did that he mentioned your name now. Or mentioned your child's name, your daughter's name. But the skit he did, you got angry. You insulted him. Why didn't you look away and say, oh, he didn't mention my name, so he wasn't talking to me? I saw a video of you now. There was a guy that was traveling, that you stopped him, that you said you don't want him to travel. He cannot go. He must be arrested. That because he threatened you, he did this. I saw the video. You were very angry that day in the video. I was in America. I was watching it. The guy was going back to America. You blocked him. You said he's not going to travel. The police must arrest him. He threatened you. Why did you do that? Why didn't you look away? Why didn't you look away? When tomorrow comes now and someone says to you, your wife, she stole somebody's money, she did this. When somebody comes and defame your wife, look away. When somebody comes and defame you, look away. Your choice is different from my choice. We're totally different in person. You can tell me ori ope. Kí n dẹ̀ sọ fún pé ori yala ya bàbá laku bàbá ẹ ope. Because ìwọ tó fẹ́ wá jà, ó mọ nǹkan tó fẹ́ bá lẹ́nu mi. And you can tell me pé ori yala ye ori bàbá laku bàbá ẹ dàrú, and I can tell you wo fi mí sílẹ̀ gbẹnu sàn. We are different, my dear.
Ẹ má bínú o, gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Bí mo ṣe wọlé ló yẹ kí n kí, ṣùgbọ́n ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ló ká mi lára. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé, níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ mi, tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wò mí. Lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè, ojú tẹ́ ẹ fi ń wò mí, ojú náà ò ní fọ́. Etí tẹ́ ẹ fi ń gbọ́ mi, etí náà ò ní di. Orere bí ìyè létí yín mi á gbọ́ o. Ẹ wo, ibi tí a tó rí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mọ la tó ní ká tó mú wá sí etí ìgbọ́ yín. Fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tó jẹ́ pé ẹ ti subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ẹ subscribe síbẹ̀ kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ lè mọ jàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Ó ní kinní kan bí aago báyìí níbi abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí tí àwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní notification bell. Ẹ mọ́ tẹ kinní notification bell kí n ọ̀hún notification bell yín sílẹ̀ kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ lè bá jàǹfààní bàbá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá fún ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa àti fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀ ní gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ wa. Ẹ wo, níbi tá fi àdàgbà ètò yìí sọlẹ̀ sí lónìí ni bí ẹ bá tó ṣe lọ àtọ́jẹ́ kí a gbọ́, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ire lójú owó rí o, ire lójú ọlá rí, ire lójú gbogbo wa ò mọ̀ rí o. Ìpàdé wa bí oyin, ire o, ó dìgbà.